Hi, my name is Fakwade and I'm so happy to have you here. I'm very passionate when it comes to beauty and anything that has to do with makeup, and this channel is dedicated to everything beauty. From makeup tutorials to daily tutorials to how to tie your head wrap, plus life-changing beauty hacks. On my channel, you'll basically find tutorials on how to do a step-by-step makeup, especially for beginners, and how to create stunning makeup looks for every occasion, tie head wrap like a pro, and discover practical beauty hacks to elevate your beauty lifestyle. So whether you're just starting out or you just want to refine your beauty skills, I'm here to help you. Motola's Glamour is here to help you. So what actually makes my channel unique is that it is actually designed to help you, to empower you. I'll be sharing my best tips, tricks, and secrets to help you save time, look stunning, and look confident, all without breaking the banks. My goal is to ensure that you gain value in every single video that I drop. I started this channel because I know how important it is for every woman out there to feel confident and elevate their beauty lifestyle, feel beautiful in their own skin. And I know that some people are still struggling with how to tie some head wraps and apply some makeup, and I feel like if I can know how to do this, then why not just show these people out there? Why not just pass this valuable ideas and tips and step-by-step tutorials that I know to people that actually made of it on the internet. And one thing I know is that beauty is beyond makeup, beauty is beyond the outer appearance, but beauty is actually more of what is within, and applying makeup and anything that has to do with your beauty enhancement is a way of expressing yourself and your inner self and owning your uniqueness, because there is nobody out there like you. You are who you say that you are, unique. So, and I want to be part of that journey with you. If you are ready to actually elevate your beauty lifestyle, hit the subscribe button for more content like this. Turn on all your notifications to be reminded of every single time I drop a particular video, because you don't want to miss the next video I'm gonna drop. You don't want to do that. And let me know in the comment section what video tips, tricks, or skills that you want to learn in the comment section, because I'm going to be ready to provide that for you. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for standing by, and I cannot wait to go on this beauty journey with you. I want you to grow with me, and I want to grow with you, and I want us to connect together, because we are in this together. Until my next video, remember that beauty is more about confidence, and confidence is beautiful. Bye bye.